To understand cloud computing, you need to know and understand the traditional IT infrastructure, because cloud is simply accessing these IT resources remotely. Now, let's not go too far. Let's start with our personal computers and laptops. Your laptop has a CPU or a GPU which allows you to perform computations. It has a RAM, that's a temporary memory, and then a hard drive that allows you to store your data on your laptop. On the networking side, we can talk of a network card that allows you to connect to the internet, and then a firewall that will also protect you while you surf on the internet. Now, imagine taking those exact same parts we spoke about and then putting them into a special box without a screen, and that is what we call a server. So a server is mainly a powerful computer without a screen, or you can think of it as a system unit. Now, where are these servers? They are in what we call a data center. So a data center is just a building filled with a lot of these servers running together at a scale your laptop cannot. Now that we have seen the physical infrastructure, let's look at the core technology that makes cloud possible. This is what we call virtualization. Virtualization allows the creation of multiple virtual environments from a single physical hardware system. So now back to our basics. On our laptops, we have operating systems running. This could be a Windows OS or a Linux OS or any other operating system. With virtualization, we can create multiple virtual machines on our laptops. So even though your laptop runs Windows, you can have a virtual machine on it that runs Linux. It's like a virtual laptop within your laptop. This is made possible by what we call a hypervisor, which is installed on the bare metal of your laptop. Now, let's look at how these resources are deployed in the cloud. Let's say you own a very large fintech company with lots of clients, and as such, you have your own data center. This data center is fully managed by your company, and its resources like your client's data are accessed via your company's network. This deployment model is called the private cloud or the on-premises deployment model. But on the other hand, you realize the finances of your company keeps dropping because you have to spend so much to maintain your data center. This includes electricity for cooling the facility and employing people to do maintenance on some servers. And so you decide you don't want to own a data center anymore. You then look for some cloud providers to fully migrate your on-prem data to their cloud, and you settle on AWS. AWS fully owns the IT infrastructure, and they are responsible for managing them. This deployment model is called the public cloud. Here you share these resources with other clients and access the resources over the internet. So you are happy now because you are able to cut costs. Due to the confidentiality of some of your clients' data, you decide to keep those data on-prem while the others are being stored on AWS cloud. This is also called the hybrid cloud. In the end, your customers are happy and your company is also stable and growing. These concepts are the very basics of cloud computing and are very essential in your cloud journey. Thanks for watching.